Welcome to this Toolbox Talk on Equipment Rollover. This Toolbox Talk discusses about various accidents that occur due to improper operation of the vehicle and about the safety practices that needs to be followed in order to prevent the damage to life and property. More than 100 people each year are killed by mobile heavy equipment, including mobile cranes, loaders, bulldozers, and tractors on construction sites. Any piece of heavy equipment can tip over under extreme conditions, or if used improperly at a high speed, especially going down an incline, or being too near an unstable edge. To prevent accidents, make sure you are properly trained to operate the equipment. By keeping a note of few things, you can prevent accidents and injuries. Ensure that all equipment used in a location where there is a danger of overturn is equipped with a rollover protective structure, ROPS. Always wear the seat belt to take advantage of ROPS protection. To survive an equipment rollover, the operator must remain inside the protective structure. Be prepared to take appropriate control measures, such as avoid driving over obstacles, ditches, drains, etc. which could affect control. Do not try to jump away in a rollover. You could become a victim and be crushed by the ROPS. Do not operate equipment in ways for which it was not designed. This could increase the likelihood of a rollover. Learn to identify those areas where a rollover could happen. Use extra caution when using heavy equipment on steep or hilly terrain. Safety belts are fitted to machines and are there to be used for the protection of the operator to prevent and reduce the risk of injury. For better understanding, let us consider a scenario. A vineyard hired a heavy equipment operator to dig ditches and mix fertilizer. The operator used a backhoe attached to a large tractor. The tractor's seat belt was broken and could not be fastened. For unknown reasons, the tractor slid into a drainage ditch and tipped over. Without the seat belt, the operator fell out of his seat and into the ditch. The roll bar crushed his leg when the tractor continued to turn over. By keeping the following do's in mind, you can be safe and secured while operating equipments. Always apply handbrake when stopped, and remove keys when not in use. Always use a rear view camera if fitted, and a banksman if appropriate. Use lower gears on down gradients. Avoid sharp acceleration, braking, and changes of direction. Exercise consideration and care when driving or operating plant and vehicles. Stick to planned traffic routes where applicable. Visiting drivers should be told the layout of the workplace, the route they need to take. Always wear the required PPE, including high visibility clothing. Now we will discuss some points that should be avoided while operating heavy equipments. Don't tip into excavations without stop blocks and signalers. Don't exceed safe working load when operating forklifts or cranes. Don't carry passengers unless the vehicle is designed to do so. Don't use any vehicle or item plant you are not trained to use. Don't overload dumpers. Don't exceed site speed limits. Don't ignore site signage. With this, we end this Toolbox Talk on Equipment Rollover. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.